bata, nangyari talaga sa'yo. Hindi ko makakalimutan din yun kasi 1999, that was the closest ng Philippines
Yes.
to winning the Miss Universe.
26 years daw yung drought that time.
Yes.
From Margie Moran.
Diba? Pag nakikita mo yung photos na yan, anong nare-remind ka?
I'm reminded of God's destiny for our lives. I really believe God has a special plan for each of us. And young as we are, God has already planted dreams in our hearts. So kung anong pangarap natin nung kabataan tayo, especially if it's for something good, especially if it will glorify God, God already plants that in the hearts of everyone.
So yung declaration na magiging beauty queen ako paglaki ko, galing na kay God yung dream na yun.
Siguro,
Kaya
kaya yung naging dream ko noon eh.
na-fulfill mo lahat.
By God's grace.
Oh,
So,
diba?
yung beauty queens, 5 years old ako, 7 years old ako,